How to survive the 4 mental stages of trading. Tips from the pros. Tired of seeing your profits evaporate despite having a seemingly solid trading strategy? The market isn't just about charts and indicators, it's a mental battlefield. Let's explore how to conquer it. We know you're experienced traders, constantly analyzing charts, tweaking strategies, and searching for that elusive edge. But what if the key to consistent profitability lies not just in what you trade, but how you think while you trade? The mental game is often the most overlooked aspect of trading. Many traders focus solely on technical analysis and fundamental research, neglecting the powerful influence of their own emotions and cognitive biases. This can lead to impulsive decisions, missed opportunities, and ultimately, losses. Hi, I'm Happy Kapoor, and I've spent years navigating the ups and downs of the market. I've seen firsthand how crucial mental fortitude is to long-term success. I've also made all the mistakes, so you don't have to. In this video, we're going to delve into the 4 mental stages of trading and equip you with practical strategies to not just survive, but thrive in this challenging environment. We'll show you how to recognize where you are mentally and adapt your approach accordingly. Today, we're diving deep into how to survive the mental stages of trading. Let's get started. The 4 mental stages of trading. Understanding the mental stages of trading is paramount to achieving mastery. It's a journey of self-discovery and continuous improvement. Recognizing where you are in this process allows you to tailor your approach and avoid common pitfalls. Stage 1: Unconscious Incompetence. This is the ignorance is bliss stage. You don't know what you don't know. You're blissfully unaware of the complexities and challenges of trading. Imagine someone confidently walking off a cliff, unaware of the drop below. That's unconscious incompetence in a nutshell. It's a dangerous place to be. The allure of quick riches and the promise of easy profits often lure newcomers into the stage. They might place a few lucky trades, fueling a false sense of confidence and leading them to believe they've cracked the code. Stage 2: Conscious Incompetence. Reality hits. You realize how much you don't know. This stage is characterized by frustration, confusion, and a growing awareness of the skills and knowledge required to succeed. Picture a person staring at a complex chart, completely overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information. They're starting to understand the game, but they're far from mastering it. Frustration and discouragement are common companions in this stage. You might experience a series of losses, leading you to question your abilities and the validity of your trading strategies. This is a crucial point where many traders give up. Stage 3: Conscious Competence. You've developed a strategy, and you're starting to see consistent results. However, it requires conscious effort and focus. You're not quite on autopilot yet. Visualize a trader meticulously analyzing a chart, carefully executing their strategy, and diligently managing their risk. They're competent, but it requires constant attention. This stage demands discipline and unwavering focus. You need to consciously apply your knowledge and skills to each trade, constantly monitoring your emotions and avoiding impulsive decisions. It can be mentally exhausting, but it's a necessary step towards mastery. Stage 4: Unconscious Competence. Your strategy becomes second nature. Risk management is internalized. Emotional control is automatic. You're trading in the zone. Imagine a seasoned trader calmly executing trades, seemingly without effort. They've internalized their strategy and can react instinctively to market changes. This is the holy grail of trading. You've reached a point where your skills and knowledge are so deeply ingrained that you can trade with confidence and ease. However, it's important to remember that even the most experienced traders can cycle back to earlier stages. The cyclical nature of trading. Trading isn't a linear progression. You'll cycle through these stages repeatedly, especially when facing new market conditions or trying new strategies. Recognizing this cyclical nature is key to long-term success. Think of it as a spiral, not a straight line. You might reach unconscious competence with one strategy, only to find yourself back in conscious incompetence when you try something new. The key is to be aware of your current stage and adapt your approach accordingly. Don't let overconfidence lead to complacency, and don't let frustration derail your progress. Practical strategies for handling the mental stages of trading. Now that we understand the mental stages, let's explore some practical strategies for navigating them effectively. These strategies will help you stay grounded, manage your emotions, and make better trading decisions. Strategy 1: acknowledge your emotions. Emotions are a natural part of trading, but they can be your worst enemy if left unchecked. Acknowledge your feelings of fear, greed, and anxiety, but don't let them dictate your actions. Recognize that emotions are simply information. They're telling you something about your perception of risk and reward. Use this information to refine your strategy, not to abandon it. Strategy 2: stick to your trading plan. A well-defined trading plan is your anchor in the storm. It provides a framework for your decisions and helps you avoid impulsive actions driven by emotions. Your trading plan should outline your entry and exit criteria, risk management rules, and profit targets. Refer to it constantly, especially when you're feeling stressed or uncertain. Strategy 3: manage your risk. Risk management is not just about protecting your capital, it's about protecting your mental state. By limiting your potential losses, you reduce the fear and anxiety that can cloud your judgment. Use stop-loss orders to limit your downside risk on every trade. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always be prepared to cut your losses quickly. Strategy 4: practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment without judgment. It can help you stay focused, reduce stress, and make more rational trading decisions. Take a few minutes each day to meditate or practice deep breathing exercises. This will help you cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, even in the midst of market volatility. Strategy 5: review and learn from your trades. Every trade, whether it's a winner or a loser, is an opportunity to learn. Review your trades regularly to identify patterns, mistakes, and areas for improvement. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, your emotions, and your thought processes. This will help you gain valuable insights into your own trading behavior. Strategy 6: take breaks. Trading can be mentally exhausting. It's important to take regular breaks to rest and recharge. Step away from the charts, go for a walk, or do something you enjoy. Avoid overtrading. Spending too much time in front of the screen can lead to fatigue, poor decision-making, and burnout. The continuous journey. Remember, trading is a continuous journey of self-awareness, discipline, and learning. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and never stop striving to improve. Seek support from other traders, share your experiences, learn from their mistakes, and build a community of like-minded individuals. So, we've explored the 4 mental stages of trading and provided practical strategies for navigating them effectively. By understanding these stages and implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve your trading performance and achieve long-term success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We release new content every week. What are some of the biggest emotional challenges you face as a trader? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Remember to trade responsibly, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. We wish you all the best in your trading journey.